It is exploratory for me. I explored I explored so much about myself in last 4 months that I believe I never did so much of thinking about how I behave, how I think in last almost 4 decade I'll have lived now. What I did in these 4 months, I was little confused whether I should go about Take Two or not, because I was having an impression that Take Two is for people who want certain kind of change in their profession, or if they are working, they want to start their own company or something like this. So I was having certain impression like this, and because I was not planning to change my profession. I was not having any big problem or issue in my life. So I thought, do it have something for me or not? Then, but it was everything I got every time I got to know about that new dates are announced of Take Two. Something or other thing was happening inside me that I want to go. And this time I connected with Amit, and I asked him, because I don't have any agenda in hand, and I don't want any kind of change, and I'm not looking for any change in profession or any major change in my life. Everything was going well, but I told him that I want to join. So is it okay? Or because I was little apprehensive about this, that I might not be a good participant because every time I'll be asked why you joined, I'll say I'll just like that I joined. So it started like this. And then during the journey only, I realized that I was carrying a lot inside me, which I was probably not aware of. And then I defined my Take Two in between the journey only. And I realized that there are different parts of mine, like I named them, like the P form of mine, that is my professional and my potential self. And there is one R form of mine, which is my relationships and uh, personality, which is S. I named it S. So it is social and my spiritual self. So my agenda, my Take Two was to bring a fine balance between the three. I was not willing to compromise anything for other thing. So I named it as Paras. P added to R, added to S, and that became my Take Two. And then I was looking that then during the journey only, when I had one-to-one session with Sanjay, I realized that not only these three major portions are which I'm looking to balance, there is a lot more to balance in life. There's so much where we choose some or other thing, on daily basis. In day-to-day life, we have to make small decisions sometimes, whether I should do it for me or whether I should focus on my kids, like something like that. And so how I take those decisions, what is driving me, am I stopping myself, or I'm pressuring myself more, or am I keeping myself at priority all the time, I am ignoring my responsibilities, this just for example. So I realized that yes, there are certain behaviors of mine, there are certain patterns, and which I'm carrying with me, which are no longer helpful. So it was like that for me. I'm more at peace now. I'm more at ease, I would say. If I'll compare myself 4 months ago, before joining this Take Two, I used to feel there were so many questions. There was some kind of uneasiness. Now, now I feel as if I know this person a little better, and it's easy for me to understand why am I behaving this way. And it's okay if I do something, and if even if it's not working. So it made easy for me to understand myself. As facilitators, they, I would say excellent is word for both of them. They know where to stop you. They know where to make you take a pause and think why you are saying so. And they'll never interfere in your thought process. And definitely, I can understand this time there were so many challenges for them as well, because being this online thing, we used to meet today and then we'll meet one after 1 week. So it's difficult to bring that continuity, but they both were like, they'll catch you in the moment that you said this before as well. You keep on saying that, that makes you think why I'm saying. And one more thing I would like to share, I was carrying certain impressions about this gender thing, that yes, males think certain way, females they. And when I entered this workshop and I saw that both of them are males, I was like, इनको क्या समझ आनी है मेरी बात. I was like this. And then they made me believe that you need not to be a woman to understand feelings of a woman. So they both were so caring at times when I needed that compassion. They were there to support, and they were there to, like a strict teacher, to remind me you are doing it again and again, Shweta. So be mindful of this.
Yeah, I think I can relate to that about them in my experience of Take Two too. Absolutely, bang on. So, for those who would like to attend the program but are sitting on the fence trying to decide whether they should or they should not, would you be able to share any advice that you may have for these people?
Well, I can say that when I was in this dilemma that I should join, I was not having any major reason. But today, when I'm talking to you, I'm super glad that I did. Because all we need to do in, the best thing about Take Two is it is having very practical approach. It is not something that you do it here and it has nothing to do with your life. If you are available, if you can surrender yourself to through the process, I believe it can help you so many ways in your day-to-day life. You need not to have a very big or great agenda to decide, yeah, I want to achieve this from Take Two. No, I believe anybody, whether you are a professional, whether you are a homemaker, whether you are male, female, you're a student, it's going to help you, and you should go about it without thinking twice. You'll know yourself better, and that will help.